this Christmas, this is a very simple style that you can make. Oh, if you don't have money to go to the salon, you can actually do it by yourself. JD must always run away from picture. JD no dey ever gree snap picture. I don't born pikin, I don't born pikin. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, pending whenever you see this video. You are welcome to my channel once again. It's so good to have you here. How you doing? Hope you're doing great. Let's get right into the video. So this is me just trying to moisturize Fortune's hair. Fortune has this very thick 4C hair. Like, the hair was so thick, I had to put a whole lot of product on her hair to make it manageable for me, because I don't know how this stylist used to make her hair. Like, the hair was so hard. Had to moisturize, and then, as you can see, I'm trying to section the hair so I can detangle it in sections. No way I could comb this hair like this. I had to do that in sections. So if this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Don't be a stranger. Kindly hit that big red subscribe button below this video and join the channel. Do not forget to click on the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to my old G's, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. And let's get right into the video. So guys, this is me just trying to make some styles at both sides of her hair. As you can see, her hair is not so long, so I'm just trying to make these crisscross twist patterns on both sides of her hair. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Like, I'm just using rubber bands, to tie the end so it will be neat, and then twist it in place and crisscross it. I think at the end of what I'm doing, you're going to see what I mean in a minute. So I'm going to be doing that for both sides of her head.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play. Kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. Let's swing the night away. Baby, hold me close, 'cause in our hearts Christmas is here to stay. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night. Family's laughter fills the air. Hearts are warm, love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Christmas time is here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again.
So guys, as you can see, I'm done making the crisscross design on both sides of her head, and the hair has gone dry again. I had to moisturize it again, and I could not pack her hair the way I was doing, so I had to section it into 3 parts or more than 3 parts. So I decided to section the middle and use a thread to tie it in place while adding my gel. So guys, I ran out of Eco Styler gel, and we decided to use this black gel. Like, I don't know how people make use of that gel, because the more I was adding gel to this girl's hair, the more I was feeling like I was not adding any gel. Like, I don't know how Eco Styler does it. Like, you can just put small on your hair and you just feel it slipping. You feel it slipping. But this gel was the opposite. I don't know the name of the gel. I don't want to spoil anybody's product, but Kai, I would never buy it again. Because I ran out of Eco Styler gel, and it was just something that she had to go for her school party. So I had to, do it for her. God, the gel was not giving at all, at all, at all. See me brushing, see me reputting. I'll just be putting and putting and putting. But it didn't really, but at last, me, I'm a creative person. I maneuvered it, and it worked out well. So if you have a thick fussy hair like this, try to gel your hair in sections like you see me do. I gel just the middle part, and I'm using thread so that I can tie it very well in place. Don't worry, beauty is pain. Because I know some of you will be thinking of the headache. Beauty is pain, don't worry. So after the middle part is in place, I decided to section the back side into two. Repeat the same process: moisturize, gel, brush it, and add it to the middle part. I just brush it and tie it to the middle part, just like you see me do. I'll do that until I am done with all her hair. So don't stop watching, guys. Enjoy the vlog. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, share to all your friends out there. This Christmas, this is a very simple style that you can make. If you don't have money to go to the salon, you can actually do it by yourself. So don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and do not skip my ads, please. If you see any ads on this video, please don't skip it. Please don't skip it. Just let it play out, because you're helping me and supporting me by doing so. Thank you so much. And as you can see, the back is done. Like, it is done. I've gotten the back, and now it's to the front. So I wanted to make it a center pattern, and I remember the style I did on the sides. I decided to brush it all back, so that the style can show well. Anyway, guys, let me keep quiet so you guys can enjoy the vlog.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play. Kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So baby, let's swing the night away. Baby, hold me close, 'cause in our hearts Christmas is here to stay. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night. Families' laughter fills the air.
So guys, as you can see, I'm done laying down her hair flat. So I'm just taking this, my silk scarf. It's natural hair, and I do not have what do they call it, blow dry machine. So I did this a night before. So I'm just taking this, my silk scarf, to tie it all around her head. I think I did that with two scarves. Before I say scarf, oh my lord, English language. With two scarves ahead. This is the second scarf. I just tied it in place so everything will sleep very well. So she's going to be wearing this. I even did 3 scarves. Oh, not be small thing. So she's wearing that to sleep all through the night, and we'll see you guys in the morning. Look at how the gel has stained my hands. Try God. So this was the next day, guys, and there was no light, and I was working. As you can see, my laptop over there was no light, so and she was about going to school, so we had to complete the hair outside, and the sun was giving her this kind of glow. Look at how everything has slept. Everything is looking neat and is sleeping very well. Like, her hair slept very well. So, well, the gel actually worked. So this is me, just using a remnant, a weave I have at home. Like, I don't think since I got this weave I've used it. So this is me just I folded the weave into 2, added a bobby pin, used that bobby pin to tack it to her head, then, and now start wrapping the hair all around the head. I hope you understand what I mean. Like, I fold the weave into 2, then added a bobby pin in the fold and use the bobby pin to tack it on her head and start wrapping around the weave. And my kids are just playing around, guys. It's outside. So they were just running around and disturbing. So yeah, that is all I'm doing. And oh my lord, guys, I was so busy when she changed her top to what she was wearing to school. Okay, sorry, I'll come and wear your clothes. When she changed her top to what she was wearing to school, I was so busy I forgot to take a video of her. But later on in the video, you're going to see a video of how the hair looked like 3 or 5 days later, and it was still sleeping. It was still very, very fine. So if you watched up to here and you're still not subscribed to my channel, please just subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment, share, subscribe for more. Do not skip my ads, and God will bless you. See you all in my next video. Please keep enjoying the vlog, guys. I love you.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play. Kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So let's dance, baby. Let's swing the night away. Baby, hold me close, 'cause in our hearts Christmas is here to stay. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night. Families' laughter fills the air. Hope the warm love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Christmas time is here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night. Families' laughter fills the air. Hope the warm love is everywhere. It's the time of the year.
So guys, as you can see, I'm done with the hair. Oh my lord, it came out so beautiful. Look at the design on the sides. And as you saw me did earlier on, I just took part of the weave and wrapped it around her head and used some bobby pins to pin it down. And oh my lord, it was looking so beautiful. She was looking so demure, so cutesy. So my lord, how did I do, guys? Did I try? Oh my lord, I love it. I am loving this. So tell me, are you gonna try this Christmas for your kids, for yourself? Even adults can rock this hair, like even myself, if I have a time, because nowadays I don't get time. So this is the video I was talking about. Like, it's been like a week or 5 days, I can't remember. It's been a long time. So and the hair is still, really, really fine. And she wore it to church, and she was still, Fortune is a shy and introverted girl, so she doesn't like taking pictures that much. But anywho, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And see our assistant snappers, our photographers. JD must always run away from picture. JD no dey ever gree snap picture. I don't born picking. Oh my lord, if you watched up to here, thank you so much. Thank you. See you all in my next video. Hugs and kisses. Have a blessed week ahead. Bye bye.